Ate Changwon. May you have a good, more birthdays to come on. God bless. And enjoy your special day.
Gusto ko lang po bumati ng happy birthday kay Ma'am Ji-Chang. Ayan, happy birthday po Ma'am Ji-Chang. Enjoy ka lang po palagi, tsaka mag-iingat ka po lagi sa inyong trabaho. God bless po.
Happy birthday po Miss Ji-Chang. Pagdiwang mo ang iyong kaarawan na may ngiti, saya, pagmamahal at pasasalamat. Dahil sa iyong kabaitan, karapat-dapat ka sa magandang nangyayari sa iyong buhay. Aking tanging hiling para sa iyo ay masaya at matatag na pamilya, malusog na pangangatawan, at mas marami pang biyaya mula sa ating Panginoon. Sa bawat taon na dumadagdag sa iyong buhay, mas lumalawak ang iyong pagkakataon para sa dagdag na saya at tagumpay. Muli, happy birthday po, Miss Ji-Chang!
Hello po, Miss Ji-Chang! Happy birthday! It's your birthday today. And with that, Ma'am Ji-Chang, the least that I could do, the least gift that I could do is sing you a happy birthday. So I hope that you will like it and enjoy it. So here you go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Happiest birthday to you, Ma'am Ji-Chang. And also, I would like to say thank you because isa ikaw sa mga tao na nakakatulong sa maraming paraan. Just like Ma'am Ibing and Ma'am Rosalina, you're part of the trio who's been helping a lot of people here in YouTube. Also outside as well, if I'm not mistaken. So, salamat for being the secretary. And salamat kasi ikaw yung nagsisend ng mga prizes, ikaw yung nagbibigay ng mga blessings galing kina Ma'am Rosalina at Ma'am Ibing. Thank you for the effort that you do. God bless all the works of your hands, Ma'am Ji-Chang. And also, I pray that all of your goals and prayers in life will succeed, that you will achieve all of those, Ma'am Ji-Chang. Salamat sa iyong mga effort para sa amin, para sa mga tao na tumatangkilik sa channel ni Ma'am Rosalina at ni Ma'am Ibing. Thank you so much. Also, I hope that you are enjoying your birthday celebration today with your family and friends. And just count the blessings, count the experience, and not the years. Happiest birthday, Ma'am Ji-Chang! Salamat ng marami and God bless you! Mwah.
Yo man, happy birthday sa aming magandang dilag, Ma'am Ji-Chang Wok. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Ma'am Ji-Chang Wok. Happy birthday sa aming magandang dilag, Ma'am Ji-Chang Wok. Ma'am Ji-Chang Wok, happy birthday. Today is your special day in your life. Wish you all the best. I wish Ma'am Ji-Chang Wok sana kang good health always. And I wish that you get more happiness and joy you deserve. And all your dreams come true. I hope you have a blessed day today and every day. May you always keep smiling and may you always blessed. Again, happy Ma'am Ji-Chang Wok. Aming magandang dilag. Ma'am Ji-Chang Wok, happy birthday to you!
Hi everyone! Andito ako ngayon para batiin ang aming friendship na pinakamasikip, pinakatigang, lahat na lang pinakamabait. Ayun, Ate Alma, aka Ji-Chang Wok. Ayun, happy birthday Ate G! Sana ay mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo kahit walang dilig. Pasensya ka na sa boses ko, medyo nagdadalaga. Ayun, Kagaling lang ng ubo ko. Medyo pa meron. Pero, itatawid ko ito para sa birthday mo. Happy birthday, Ate G. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo palagi, sana lagi kang good health. Ayun. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung kabaitan mo. Ayun. At sana ay mag-enjoy ka kahit malayo ka sa pamilya mo at kahit tigang ka. Ayun. Ate G, nandito lang kami palagi para nakasupport sa iyo. And ayun, sana lagi kang safe dahil malayo ka sa pamilya mo. Lagi kang happy lang palagi. Ayun. At sana ay masaya ka sa birthday mo. Ayun, mapasaya ka namin. Kahit ganito lang, oh. Nakangiti lang kami. Tumawa ka na lang din. Ayun, para kahit papano, alam ko naman na mahirap yung malayo sa pamilya, lalo pag ganito, may okasyon. Alam ko na malungkot, pero lahat naman ng yun ay ginagawa para sa pamilya. Kaya, ayun, kailangan natin na maging masaya. Maraming salamat sa lahat, Ate G, kay Mami Rosalina, thank you. And mag-ingat lang kayo palagi. And happy birthday ulit. Cheers! Ito na lang yung cheers ko sa'yo, yung thumbs up ko. Dahil wala akong baso. Ayun. Enjoy, Ate G! And ingat ka palagi. Ayun. I love you.
Hello guys, binabati ko po si Ji Chang Wook ng happy birthday, and may your birthday filled with love and happiness, and enjoy your special day. God bless you.
Hi, Ms. Jijang! Happy birthday! Ayan, Ms. Jijang. Naway maging maligaya ka sa iyong karawan, and sana ma-celebrate mo ito ng maganda, at syempre ikaw ay malayo ka sa iyong pamilya ngayon. Alam ko naman na super tigang mo ngayon. So ayun, yung hiling ko lang is maging matatag ka pa, and gawin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong makakabuti sa iyo, and alam mong makakabuti sa iyong pamilya. Ayan. And thank you so much, Miss Jijang, for everything. Ayan. And ayun, wala na akong mahihiling pa. Yung hihilingin ko na lang is one day or next year ay sana masuot mo yung holy panty. Yung holy panty na kailangan mo, na para lang kay Anthony. Ayan. Thank you so much, Miss Jijang, and happy birthday sa'yo, and may God bless you always, and bless with your heart and soul and everything, your esophagus, and your basta yun na. Pati yung pitaka mo, i-bless din. Ayan, so God bless you, and yan, best of luck of life, Miss G. Ayan. Yan. Once again, happy birthday, Miss G. And good luck sa iyong journey. So.
Happy birthday po to Ji Chang Wook. May you have a good more birthdays to come on. God bless, and enjoy your special day.